Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back again in my channel. I am Ark, and this video is the continuation of the previous video where we learned to start building plan from scratch, including placing grids, levels, and customizing generic walls with wall placements. If you haven't watched the previous video, please check my link below. In this video, we are going to learn to place interior walls and doors. So, let's begin. We are forgetting something. I think we forgot to make floor. Let's make floor by selecting the floor boundary. Here I am selecting by picking the exterior face of the walls. After going to the elevation, we can see that the floor has the base level GL, but we want it in the plinth level. We can customize the generic floor as well. Now, let's create interior walls. You can press CS to create similar wall with similar properties. We want to change the properties of the wall, so let's duplicate the wall and change the thickness of the wall to 6 inch and rename it to interior wall. Now let's place the wall as desired to form the rooms. We can see in the 3D view that now we have all the internal walls. Now let's place the door. You can either click the door from the architecture panel or press DR in the keyboard. Hover the door in the desired wall to place it. We can change the direction of the door by pressing spacebar. We need to load other doors from the Revit library if we want to put other set of doors. Here, I am loading the double door. We can customize the properties of the door. Now, we have the building with internal walls and doors. In the next video, we will learn to add the windows and the ramp. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.